Network load balancer with TCP and TLS with Terraform. Create a TCP listener, TLS listener and a target group. So here we are talking about network load balancer, NLB, SSL and non-SSL. So when you hit the this Route 53, it should take me to A1 or A1 instance on availability zone 1 or availability zone 2. SSL and without SSL. This is what our target. So we are going to learn security group, change related NLB to ingress CIDR block to be 00, means from anywhere the request. No change to other files. And one more change is here, DNS Route 53 network load balancer using Terraform module with the TCP and TLS listeners. Route 53 related DNS names and the network load balancer references will also be used. And auto scaling. Integrate auto scaling group and network load balancer to attach auto scaling group EC2 instances to network load balancer target group. TTSP. So comment TTSP application load balancer policy which is not applicable to network load balancer group. These are the changes we are going to make to C13 files. So security group, earlier it was ingress CIDR block, very specific, but this time it is going to be from anywhere. Quad 0 means from anywhere /0. Network load balancer variables, placeholder for the network load balancer variables. Then this is our main file, network load balancer network, where we'll create network TCP listener, create TLS listener and the target group. So this is a network load balancer, Terraform, AWS module, ALB, AWS. This is our source and the version. Load balancer type is network. So this is the second type of network load balancer. Then DNS record client routing policy, availability zone affinity, means restricted to specific availability zone. Security group and enable deletion protection false. These are the listeners, port number 80, port number 443, the target groups, and target group 1, target group 2, and the traffic policies. Then output that will be displayed. And that's it. This is Route 53 DNS entries. That is nlb.agenticai.io. This is going to be our DNS zone entry. And finally the auto scaling TTSP. And this is where policy is target value is 50. Means if the requests, number of requests are greater than 10 completed per target in application load balancer, and then shift the traffic to next application or next instance. So this is what our policy is. Number of requests should be more than 10. CD 15, Terraform manifest, Terraform init. What we expect at the end of this is verification. We will launch the instance and these are the URL that should be active. So network load balancer. Network load balancer, only difference is that we specify port number, not the service, not the protocol. So we need to talk about the port number. So therefore you look at the port number HTTP port number 80. HTTPS is port number 443. Only difference between application and this is we, instead of talking protocol, we talk about the port. And we can use any port. So this is a Terraform apply -auto approve. So what I expect in this network load balancer is these URLs, NLB, HTTP, without HTTP. Hopefully it will launch the instance and I should be able to see the resources. Yeah, done. So I should be able to see these instances also. That is network load balancer. So we did, this is network load balancer example. It takes few minutes to reflect the DNS changes, DNS records. And this is third one, metadata. This is HTTPS. All should work. Yeah, see it is working now. HTTPS is working. Network load balancer, HTTP. Now if I try without HTTP, that should also work. Yeah, that is also working now. and this one also working, and this is also working. So network load balancer is also working fine. Let's destroy. Terraform, destroy. And that's all for the day. Thank you very much.